Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rohit, and if you're new here, I help small businesses automate their daily operations using tools like n8n, OpenAI, and other amazing automation platforms. Today, I'm super excited to show you something that's going to blow your mind. I've built a complete voice call bot using VAPI and n8n that acts as an intelligent AI receptionist. This bot can handle customer calls, check calendar availability in real time, and book appointments automatically. And the best part, it sounds completely natural and professional. Now, before we dive into the technical setup, let me show you exactly what this bot can do. I'm going to play a demo conversation where our AI agent, Ellie, helps a customer book an AC repair appointment with Harrison Climate Solutions. Listen to how natural this conversation flows. The AI agent greets the customer professionally, collects necessary information like name and email, checks real-time availability in Google Calendar, handles scheduling conflicts gracefully, and even confirms all the details at the end.
Hi, this is Ellie with Harrison Climate Solutions. How can I help you?
Hi, I want to book an appointment.
Great, I can help with that. What's your full name, please?
Rohit.
Thanks, Rohit. Could you spell your email for me, please?
It's rohit@gmail.com.
Perfect, Rohit. Got your email. Harrison Climate Solutions operates Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. When would you like the appointment?
Monday, 11 August at 11 a.m.
Great, Monday, August 11 at 11 a.m. I'll assume a 30-minute visit unless you want otherwise. Can you briefly tell me what the appointment is for?
AC repair.
All set, Rohit. You're booked for AC repair on Monday, August 11 at 11 a.m. We'll plan for a 30-minute visit. Anything else I can help with?
No thanks.
Alrighty, Rohit. You're all set. Have a great day, and we'll see you Monday. Goodbye.
Now let's break down what happened behind the scenes. When I requested Monday, August 11th at 11:30 a.m., the system made a real API call to Google Calendar to check availability. When that slot wasn't available, it intelligently offered alternative times. Once I choose the time system, automatically creates the calendar event and could even send confirmation emails. This entire magic happens through this n8n workflow that I've created. Let me walk you through the key components. First, we have the VAPI integration webhooks that handle all the event processing. Next, we have our availability checking logic. This node connects to Google Calendar API and fetches available time slots based on the requested date and time. Then, we have our booking logic that creates the actual calendar event when the customer confirms their preferred slot. Finally, we have confirmation workflows that can send emails, update databases, or even send SMS confirmations. Setting up VAPI is surprisingly straightforward. You create your AI agent, define the conversation flow, and specify what functions it can call. In our case, the agent can call functions to check availability and book appointments. The beauty of this system is that it's completely customizable. You can modify the agent's personality, add different types of appointments, integrate with different calendar systems, or even add payment processing. A Google Calendar integration is where the real-time availability checking happens. The workflow queries your calendar, finds available slots, and presents them to the customer naturally through the conversation. Now, you might be wondering, how much does this cost to run? VAPI charges per minute for voice calls, which typically work out to just a few cents per booking. When you consider that this bot can work 24/7, never takes breaks, and never misses a call, the ROI is incredible. Think about it. How many potential customers call your business after hours or when you're busy with another customer? This bot ensures you never miss a lead again. The applications for this are endless. HVAC companies, like in our demo, medical practices, beauty salons, consulting services, legal firms, fitness trainers, any service-based business that takes appointments can benefit from this automation. You could even customize it for different industries. A medical practice might need to collect insurance information, while a restaurant might want to handle reservation modifications or special dietary requirements. Let me quickly show you the key technical aspects you need to consider when building this. First, you'll need API keys for Google Calendar, Airtable, and any other services you want to integrate. Second, you'll want to spend time crafting the perfect conversation flow. The agent's responses should feel natural and professional, while efficiently collecting the necessary information. Third, error handling is crucial. Your bot needs to gracefully handle situations like calendar conflicts, invalid dates, or when customers change their minds mid-conversation. The webhook setup is critical for real-time communication between VAPI and your n8n workflow. Make sure your endpoints are secure and properly configured. Testing is absolutely essential. I recommend running dozens of test calls with different scenarios, difficult customers, edge cases, system errors, to ensure your bot handles everything professionally. One amazing benefit is the analytics you get. You can track call duration, booking conversion rates, most requested time slots, and even identify common customer questions that might need better responses. The customization possibilities are truly exciting. You could add features like automatic follow-up calls or texts, integration with payment systems for deposits, multi-language support for diverse customers, appointment reminder systems, customer feedback collection after appointments. The business impact of implementing this can be transformational. Imagine never missing a potential customer again, having perfect appointment records, reducing no-shows through automatic confirmations, and freeing up your staff to focus on delivering great service instead of answering phones. If you found this tutorial valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automation content. I release new videos every week showing you how to automate different aspects of your business. In the comments below, let me know what type of business you have and how you might use this voice bot automation. I love hearing about your specific use cases and challenges. Also, if you want the complete n8n workflow template, I'll put a link in the description where you can download it and customize it for your business.